Hey, welcome to my channel. It's the Black Hannah, and I've been on for a minute. I'm sorry, my camera broke, so I'm actually recording off my iPhone right now. Gonna get a new camera by the end of the month and go back to recording. But for now, what I'm just gonna do is like a get ready with me, because I got some stuff to do today, and just giving like an update on my vlogs and everything with that, because they've grown a lot. So boom, let's get into it. I'm gonna start getting ready. All right, y'all, so I really like how my hair looks already. This is actually what I wore to the gym, like my hair, and I just like started pulling at it. I was like, I kind of like this. So this is how I'm gonna wear my hair today, and I'm not doing anything with my edges just because I'm not feeling like it. I started new like baby locks too, so I don't want to put any like type of wax or anything that's gonna disrupt it. So I'm just gonna get straight into my makeup, and we can talk about these locks. All right, y'all, I had to do my eyebrows off camera because it was just taking too much. So my eyebrows are already done. I use Maybelline black eyeshadow palette and a Milani brow pencil to do it. I'm really gonna give y'all like a whole just life update too, just everything, just not just about my locks. For one, I've been locked now. How long? This month is gonna make a year and a half. That's what I'm trying to say. Which is crazy because it happened so fast. Like, it's funny, when I was going through the first couple of months, it felt like it was going so slow because it was going so slowly because, ooh, go ahead. Anyway, it felt like it was going super slowly because in the beginning of the locking process, the first couple months, it's like incredibly hard, at least for my experience, just from doing lock coils. It was incredibly hard to get them to lock. Like, they would just slip out. You'd be shocked by how your hair just unravels. Like, that's what I think I really learned for the first couple months. So, and I was doing way too much. Like, I was constantly in my hair, playing around in my hair, doing stuff I had no business doing. My sister would be like, that's why your hair's not locking, because she's locked now twice and she's had beautiful locks each time. Sorry, y'all, I gotta look in the mirror a little bit. Anyway, so once I stopped messing around with them and let them actually do what they did, y'all, they started locking. I think, I want to say around 4 months, I was like, okay, my hair is locked in, like, and it was so crazy. And the thing is, over this year and a half, I feel like my locks have changed a lot, which is probably the best part, I'll say, because you get to see your hair transform so much. And then once it actually, I felt like it started to lock, my hair just started flourishing, which was also amazing to watch. I only wore a wig once, and that was the first couple months of me locking. I want a wig sometimes, but I'm just trying to say, like, nothing against wigs. I love me a wig. But I'm saying, since then, I've only wore a wig once, and that was in the first couple of months because I love my locks that much. I really think locking is such an important process. But like, it's a freeing experience because it makes you realize how much like effort you put into your hair alone. That's what I realized. I was like, I've never not worried about my hair so much, and just like, I can wake up and I can go. It's like, I was like, it made me realize how much of my time I wasted fixing my hair, just doing my hair, being stressed about my hair, what I'm gonna do with my hair. You take a couple hours to get a cute style. And don't get me wrong, I loved changing my hair so much. That's probably one of my favorite things to do. But with locks, I feel like they're so funky to where you don't feel that. You might, and nothing wrong with the lock girls who wear the wigs too. But I'm just saying, like, your hair, when you see it, you're just gonna be like, this is so beautiful. Like, I love my locks. I'm attached to my locks. Literally, but I'm attached to my locks. Like, I love them. Like, they're just so beautiful. And I just feel like, I don't know, being a loose natural was a little difficult, but this is fantastic. It's fantastic. Now, I know y'all probably want like a life update, which is cool. And and it's super interesting. I ended up moving. I moved from South Carolina to Virginia, and I honestly think it was a little crazy. It was probably the best decision I've made in a long time. Like, I love living here. It's so freaking peaceful. There's a lot more to do. It's very like hipster vibe, which I'd like. And the people are super nice. I thought people in the South Carolina were nice. No, people in Virginia are lovely, like lovely. And I love my job. So it's just, I feel very balanced. So that's been great. I've been here now, I look crazy. I've been here a month now, and I really enjoy it. I could see myself here long term. Forever, I'm not sure. I have not figured that out because I haven't gotten to explore anything, but I definitely see myself being here long term. I love it. And it's fun being an attorney. It's great knowing, like, it's great getting to help people. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like this is the first time I really get to make a difference in somebody's life. Like, I'm talking to people, I'm talking to immigrants, I'm talking to their employers. Like, I feel like I feel really connected. Like, I feel like, wow, like I'm finally doing what I want. And that's just a great feeling. Now my real plan is just like to travel. That's all I want to do before I'm 30 is travel, travel, travel. My first goal is like one new country, and no, not one new country, one out of the country, and at least 3 places in the United States. Because of COVID and stuff, I might make that 2, but I don't feel like 3 is like a crazy reach. And when we do that, like, because my boyfriend, we kind of both like now done it together. That was my plan for me, but now he wants to travel too, which is fantastic. But anyway, we mean stuff like for the 2 places in the United States, we've never been like going to, I'm just say like DC. I've been DC, but DC or Myrtle Beach, or not Myrtle Beach, everybody been to Myrtle, but stuff like that. Because like, I just think traveling is so important, because being, you know, Nigerian and my dad being in the military, I've gotten to see so much of the world, and I feel like that contributes to being so open-minded and having an open perspective on life, and being honestly able to communicate through the world and understand that how much people are just grow up differently, how to communicate with people who are different, how to connect. I think that's what working immigration really teaches you the most, is that you can connect with anyone, because we're all like, there's always something to connect on. We're all the same, we're all human, but like, by design, we all go through different things similarly at times. I don't know, that's how I look at it. I love it. I love it so much, y'all. Like, I can't even express it how much I love it. Aside from that, I'm gonna be recording still. I'm gonna start making more videos. It's just kind of hard, like with my iPhone, getting the videos off it, I don't know, maybe I'm just not tech savvy, but y'all, getting the videos off that shit is really hard. Like, you airdrop it and the quality is not what it should be, because I don't have a Mac. That's what I should probably say. If I had a Mac, it's probably a lot easier. But sometimes the quality is great, sometimes it doesn't. Then you have to send an iCloud link. Like, it's just too much for me. But I'm gonna figure it out till I get this camera at the end of the month. Once I get the camera, everything's gonna go back to normal, and actually can post content that I want, do a little bit of vlogs, a day in the life of a lawyer, and do a lot of cool stuff. But right now, without the camera, that really just kind of makes it a little harder than I would like it to be. But till then, I'm gonna do what I can and record on the phone. I'll just make that happen, because I really want to post a lot more content. And I'm happy for y'all who are here so far. I think the last time that I'm looking at it now, I'm at 124, which is small wins, but great wins. Because this is the thing, I wanted to have 100 in March. I wanted to have 100. This is in January. And I had hit 100 by like 2 weeks into February. And I was like, oh my gosh, because I haven't been posting content. So I was like, wow, that's fantastic. So yeah, I'm definitely in a working mood. Y'all, but that is the end of the video. I hope y'all like this get ready with me. I ended up just doing my lips and putting the clips in my hair, because it's how I'm gonna look today. To go run errands and go do stuff. I would have recorded it, but I was on the phone with my mom. But yeah, if y'all do want this stuff, I can definitely make a video. But yeah, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video, enjoyed learning a little more about like what's going on in my life and what's going on with my little locks. So I will catch y'all next time. Let me know what y'all want to see, how y'all felt about it. And if you like this video, make sure, you know, to like it. You know what they all say, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Yes, please make sure to do both, so you know when I'm posting more videos. See ya.